Okay, so today we are going to do page 8 of the workbook. It's about the Singapore cuisine. I want you to make a poster that looks like that on page 8. Okay, and I know yours is not colored, so it's very important to take a look at the recording afterwards to see how the colors will change. Okay, so I will be telling you what to do part by part. First of all, you must open the document MEL2_student in task 2. So where is task 2? Under your workspace, under your ID, you must go to MEL2 and you must choose task 2. Okay, choose task 2. Open the document MEL2_student, double click the Word document. Okay, so here you go. The work art has been done for you. So similarly, the chicken rice, the title, satay, char kway teow, chili crab, laksa, prawn, noodle, all typed for you already. Okay, how nice, right? Okay, what you need to do is follow the instructions. Part B, save your work as poster. So file, save as poster underscore your name, student's name. So Miss Lee is doing this work. Next, part C. Part C, you need to insert the graphics rice and satay. So we are going to do this, but please insert at the correct parts. Meaning that put the cursor at chicken rice, then go to insert pictures, choose from the same task 2, chicken rice, insert, okay, and put your mouse cursor at satay first, then insert from the same task 2, satay. Okay, so this is what is going to happen because the original photo of the satay is wider, so you need to do something to it. Okay, next. Don't worry, follow the instructions, they will tell you what to do. Part D, crop the graphic of the satay so that the graphic is 8 cm wide only. Okay, delete away the crop area. So can we have silence? Thank you. So we are doing part D, crop away. Now we need to look at the original photo. Okay, basically it only has the parts where the satay is arranged vertically, right? So you need to take a look at your photo itself. You don't want the parts that is arranged horizontally. So on the right side, you're going to delete away. So you're going to select, make it smaller a bit first, because if it's too big, you cannot see the handle. I repeat, if the satay photo is too big, you cannot see the handles. So I'm going to purposely make it smaller so that I can see the handles at the corners. Okay, or at the all 4 corners. Okay, so next, you go and select this picture, go to Format, Crop, and your mouse cursor will turn from white to black color. And crop away this part. So click and drag, and you don't want the part which is the satay is arranged horizontally. Okay? And click outside. Now you need to make the width 8 cm. So go to the format. Okay? Okay, next. Part E. Save the satay graphic as satay2 underscore your name in JPG format. Okay, so go to the satay, right click, save as picture, go back to task 2, put satay2, underscore your name, and the format is JPEG file interchange format. So you can select from the drop down list, but I think it's the same. It's JPEG, save. Okay, part E is done. Now part F. Apply the changes to each graphic described above. So go to above. Let's start with the chicken rice. The brightness must be minus 20% and contrast positive 40%. So go and choose the chicken rice. Go to format. Anything is go to format first. Correction. You want the brightness to be minus 20. Okay, you must hover your mouse above it, okay? Minus 20. I'm finding it. Anyone can find it? No. Minus 20. Oh, minus 20 is here. And contrast is positive 40. Okay, found. It's the second column, last one. Okay, next, for the satay, saturation 300% because we have done this, crop the image. So saturation is under color 300%. Okay, click. Wow, now the satay looks alive. Just now it looks very dead. Okay, so it looks alive now, very vibrant colors. For the char kway teow, the correction for the photo is sharpen 50%. And click. Now the pictures looks very delicious, you know. Okay, because after enhancing it, it looks amazing. Okay, so the chili crab now, brightness positive 40%, contrast negative 40%. So brightness positive 40, so very bright, and contrast minus 40. Okay, it's the corner right side. Okay, where am I now? I'm done with the rice, satay, char kway teow, sharpen 50%, and brightness. Now I'm doing for the laksa and the prawn noodle, okay? Laksa must be washed out and the prawn noodle is grayscale. Such a waste. Picture so nice, but then must go and do a wash out. But never mind, because it's a practice. So wash out should be this, no? This one, wash out. Okay, wash out is under recolor, after grayscale, sepia, and wash out. And prawn noodle, it has to be grayscale. Okay, grayscale, under recolor. Okay, so done. Do you have to adjust anything else? Let's take a look. Just do part G, save your work. So press Ctrl S, save. And once again, I do not need the satay tool. I only need the poster, okay, to be submitted in Google Classroom.